Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing for you. My 2021 Hobonichi order came in and I thought I would do this on camera so you guys could see what planner I'm going to use for my 2021. Comes in a box like this. So it says Hobonichi Techo 2021. Let's see. Oh, it's the 20th anniversary. That's exciting. It says you write, you draw, as you move your hand, the lines start running. With the running lines are mind sprint. Handwriting means letting your mind take off. Safety matches fireplace chat. Okay, so everything comes nicely wrapped. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Oh no, they sent the wrong one. Oh no, I ordered the Hobonichi cousin. Oh, I made a mistake. I'm gonna have to try to get rid of this. So I have the 2021 Techo. I used this last year. I used this Hobonichi Techo last year. This was my food journal. I guess I can use it as my food journal again. Shucks! Now I gotta go back and order the cousin. But I did order this, and let me tell you what I like about this. So it has the years. Let me bring you in closer so you guys can see this part. It does have the 2021, the 2020, and the 2022 year. And then it has this. So you can use this to track habits, or you can use this to write important anniversary dates. I did not use that part. I use this more like a bullet journaling, like the index. Like if I do... what do they call it? If I do like some kind of a list or something, I'll mark it here so that I can refer back and know exactly where I need to go. Then they come out with the monthly like this. And I don't really use this for much unless I'm tracking how many YouTube followers I have or Instagram, or on my food diary, I could use this as a weight tracker. And then, it goes to March of 2022. Then here, this is where I would track all my food entries. I notice that when I do write everything that I eat, that I'm able to lose weight more consistently than if I were not. It makes me think twice before I eat junk food. So there's that, but I did not mean to order this Hobonichi original. So I'm going to have to go back and order the cousin now. Shucks. Okay. But I did order the day-free Hobonichi Techo. See, so I got this one in the correct size. So let's open this up. This also comes with the life book. I don't know if I showed you this earlier, but everything's in Japanese, so I can't really read it. But there it is. And this shows the different types of Hobonichis that are available. This is the first year I'm not getting the weeks, because I started using it in the beginning of 2020, and then by the middle of it, I just phased it out. So there's that. So the reason I got this day free Hobonichi is because I love the papers. Oh. So let me do this. Every day comes with some Japanese quote that I can't read, but it comes again with the calendar, the 2021, 2020, and 2022. It also has this, like the index. So I'm going to use this as an index, not tracking anything, because this is going to be where I document stuff on my YouTube channel for my beauty and my scrapbooking. So this is where I'll have an overview of the videos that I'm uploading. But as part of doing my YouTube, I have to create links on what I'm doing and track which products I'm using and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start using this instead of a Leuchtturm to manage the products I'm using in each video, so I can list them all in the description box. So that's how I'm planning on using this, because up until now I've been using a Leuchtturm and it's worked out well, but I really do love writing on this Hobonichi paper. Oh look, it says thank God it's Monday. So that's what I'm going to use this for. Then I decided to order another book. This is just a notebook, and it's got, I didn't know. So this is just a Hobonichi paper. Let me back up. So this is the same size as a Day Free. Now I didn't know which one I wanted to use, but since I was already ordering from Japan, I thought I would order both to see which one I liked. And you know what? They're both the same quality. So after I use this one, I think I'm gonna use this. I do like this better because it has the, no, that's the same. But this doesn't have the calendar and stuff, so this would be adequate for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the Day Free first, and then I'll put it in my planner, my leather cover with this. Okay, so what did come with the Hobonichi orders is this. Some of the things that I purchased are my own. This year, the pen is, oh, it's navy. When you order from the Hobonichi website in Japan, it comes with a free pen. And I have a multitude of these now. But this year, it's navy up on top and black. So it always comes with 3 pens, the black, the blue, and the red. And this does do writing the best on this Hobonichi Tomoe River paper. So I always use these. So I like having these everywhere. So I got one for the Day Free and one for the mistake I made. The Hobonichi Techo. So there's that. No, I didn't order this. So this must come with the notebook. But let me see. I want to write on a piece of paper. So let me just try here. That's nice. Okay, so I got a foodie pen. And then I like these landscape indexes because I like to put them in my, it's going to be my cousin because I'm not going to use this. And I like to index the months as well as the months on the dailies and the months on the weeklies. This one doesn't have the weeklies, but the cousin will. So I'm going to see if I can sell this to someone or give it away. If not, I'll figure out a use for it. So that is my haul from Hobonichi. Thank you for joining me on this video. If you enjoyed this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.